how to update Safari to the latest version. So if you're running an outdated version of Safari, I'm going to show you how to update this using your Mac computer. So the first thing we need to do is just go and load up a Safari browser. You can then click on Safari in the top left-hand side and press About Safari. Now underneath Safari, you'll see this version number. So this is going to show us which version we're currently using. So let's make sure first of all that our Safari browser is actually outdated. So you can open up an internet browser like this. Now type in Safari browser latest version number, and this is going to show you the most updated version of Safari. So at the time of recording this video, it's 26.4. And then you can compare this number with your own Safari version number, and you can check to see if your Safari is outdated. Now, to go and actually manually update Safari, what you'll need to do is head over to your Mac home screen like this, click on the Apple logo and press System Settings. You'll then need to select General from the left-hand side and click on Software Update. Now, in order to update Safari, you need to go and update your Mac computer. So if you see any updates in this section here, you'll just need to go and press the Update Now button, and this will also include any outdated Safari software as well.